Hey guys, it's Kiera, or the Beauty Kameleon, whichever you prefer. And I am here today with a tutorial on how I did my Goddess Braids, box braids, individuals, whichever you call them. And I got the idea from the whole Goddess Loc thing. I have done faux locks before and they take entirely too long and they hurt and then they don't last. So I decided to try the Goddess Loc with box braids. And I think they're so cute. They came out so cute. So just stick around, see how I achieved this look. I'm going to be doing some red and burgundy goddess braids. Excuse the way my hair looks. This was some leftover hair from some braids I did a couple months ago. And I'm going to use the rest of the hair. Ain't nobody got money to waste. And I got some jewels. I'm going to be using some Jamaican black castor oil and some Murray's beeswax. These curlers will be what I use to curl the hair. Excuse my cat. And I got some brushes, hair clips, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so here's my hair. How it looks now. I look pretty crazy. I've been looking rough for a while. I just moved and I'm just tired. I haven't been on YouTube in a while because this shit is hard. Seriously, like being a YouTuber is not as easy as everyone else makes it look. I've been slacking, but I am back. Okay, I'm gonna get started soon, but I kind of just want to explain the method that I'm going to use because when I was watching YouTube videos and watching how other people have done these braids, they do it a little differently than the way I'm going to go about doing them. What I've seen is everyone starts their box braids or their individuals, you know, the normal way, start, and then they braid it down until a certain point, and then they add curly hair to the ends to give it that goddess look. I'm not going to do it that way because I don't have curly hair. I also didn't go purchase any curly hair because I'm balling on a budget. So I'm going to use what I have already, and I'm going to proceed per usual as to braiding the individuals like normal. And then again, I'm going to stop at a certain point. I'll probably stop once I get past my natural hair, once I don't see that anymore. And then I'm going to take those white rollers I showed you guys, and I'm going to roll the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to dip them in hot water. I'm pretty sure I can get a curly look that way. I'm not sure how the curls are going to come out, but we're going to try. We're going to see. We're going to make it work. So let's get started.
I sectioned off my hair into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then I did a part in the back. I did a part in the back to get started.
So I'm almost done. I only have these 2 little sections. I parted my hair down the middle because I guess I want a middle part.
Listen to my
beat it up like beat it up like beat it up like
make it feel, break my shit. Feelings, so deep in my feelings. Notice that you really like me.
Beat it up like. Beat it up like.
I'm officially done. Everything's all braided up. Let me see. Let me show y'all. With all these little stringy pieces I left out, I'm going to take my rollers and roll them up. Alright, I have gotten all of the curler thingies, rollers, whatever you want to call them, in my hair. And I'm going to proceed to dip them in hot water. I'll probably let them just stay in my hair for some hours. Or I might blow dry them to speed up the process. I don't know. I'll decide. But I'll be back and I'll show you guys how my goddess braids came out. I'm really tired, guys. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to take some of the hot water and put it in like a smaller cup so that I can directly dip each little curl. I made smoothies, guys. I'm so excited.
I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my.
Beat it up like. Beat it up like. Beat it up like.
My hair is done. Well, I still gotta put jewels in it.
Make it feel, break my shit. Feelings, so deep in my feelings. Notice that you really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
Beat it up like.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.